Okay, hey everybody, this is Braden Chase, and I just wanted to show you a trick that I use for helping to identify errors and looking and seeing things and how to make them a little bit easier to understand. So I'm going to make that a little bigger so we can see it better. This is a tool called DiffChecker. It's up here, right? DiffChecker, diffchecker.com. And it's actually meant for programming, right? For coders and people like that, but I use it for English. So what I have here is a tool. And on one side, you put your original text. So this is the original text. You paste the corrected text right here. Let me get rid of that Braden Chase. We don't need that. But so these two are the same paragraph. Just one's been edited and the other hasn't. So as you see, like this, right? It's just white and black, right? You're like, oh, it changes. Okay, I can see that, right? That's different because it's not right there. Okay. But how many changes are really there? How many differences, right? Difference, DiffChecker, how many differences are there? That's what this thing does really well. So you click on this find difference, and it shows that's how many changes there are. It's pretty sweet. So it's really helpful, and it shows you color-coded, right, where all the pieces are. Oh, coming over here or coming over there, right, we have the job interview as well. Oh. The interview because it was planned and can be time-consuming. So the job interview, right? So the job interview was what the person wrote the first time around, and then it became just it because it was unnecessary. So this is something that you guys can do and see and help you, right? So you need, here's your original, and here are your changes. You're able to use this. You can just come here to diffchecker.com and use it. It's free for anybody to use, okay? See you on the next video.